Hello students, now welcome back in math online classes, and today is the date 2nd of the chapter linear equation in two variable. In first video we have to learn how we will determine the equation, which kind of the given equation, what is the standard form of the linear equation, and how we will convert the given equation in linear equation in two variables. So first, simply I will tell you the standard form of the linear equation is two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x and y are the variables and a, b, c are the integers. And our today's topic is solution of a linear equation. It means how we will solve the given linear equation. Just linear equation in one variable, so you can solve easily by transposing, just like equation given to you, 2x is equal to 5 minus x. Suppose this is equation is given to you, so what will you do? You will transpose x towards, this is the right side, you will transpose to left side. 2x and it is minus, it is negative, so when you will transpose, the symbol will be changed. 2x plus x, 3x. So we will write here 3x is equal to 5, so that x is equal to 5 upon 3 is the answer. X is equal to 5 upon 3 by cross multiplication. Okay, so this is the way to solve linear equation in one variable. But here we are going to study solution of a linear equation in two variables, how we will solve. And one thing more, linear equation one variable having unique solution means having only one solution. How many solutions? One. But linear equation in two variables having infinite number of solutions. How many solutions? Infinite number of solution. It means we cannot count, unlimited solutions are there. See how? To see the first example, I am going to tell you how you will show that a linear equation in two variable having infinite number of solution. Solution means those values of x and y which satisfy the given equation. Okay, so see the example first. So see the first example. If an equation is given to you, x plus y is equal to 10, it is given to you. This is the linear equation in two variable, and simply one equation is given to you, 5x is equal to 12 plus x. So see, two examples in front of you. This is the linear equation in one variable, and this is the linear equation in two variable, and this is the linear equation in one variable. Now we are going to find out the solutions for these equations. So how we will solve this one variable first? See, so 5x and it is x, right side, so we need to transpose it towards left side, so it will be minus, because it is positive to right side, is equal to 12, and 5x minus x, that is 4x is equal to 12. Now we will do the cross multiply, so x is equal to 12 upon 4, that's why x is equal to 3. It means when we will put the value of x in the given equation, so this equation will satisfy. See how? 5 into 3, see, 5 into 3, okay, equal to 12 plus 3. Now 5 3 is 15, 12 plus 3 15. So it means linear equation in one variable we will get only and only unique solution. It means there will be only one solution for that given equation. In place of x, we'll put any value that will not satisfied by the equation. Got it? It means linear equation one variable having only one solution. Okay, but what about linear equation in two variables? See how many cases. Suppose, just take a simple historical example. X is a person, Y is a person. Okay, two boys are there, they having total 10 oranges. Total 10 oranges. Okay, so how many conditions are possible? It may be possible X having 1 and Y having 9. Possible or not? Yes, they are 10. It is also possible 2 plus 8. It means X having 2 oranges and Y having 8 oranges. So it is also 10. It is also possible 3 plus 7. It is also possible 4 plus 6. These many conditions are possible or not for this condition. Two boys are there, X and Y. They having some oranges. The total sum of both the persons having oranges, this is 10. So these many conditions are possible. It means linear equation in two variable having infinite number of solution. I think now the case is clear. Take one more example. X plus 2y is equal to 20. Okay, x plus 2y is equal to 20. So what the values can be taken? What? It may be possible 1 plus 2 into 9. Possible or not? Because 9 to 18, sorry, 1, 2 plus 2 into 9, it means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 9, because 9 to 18 plus 20. It may be also possible 4 plus 2 into 8. It means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 8. So these many values are possible for this equation. Yeah, because this is the equation of linear equation in two variables. That's why these many solutions are possible. So keep the things in your mind. If any linear equation in one variable that having only one unique solution, there is no any other solution for that. And second thing, if any equation in linear equation in two variable, so this equation always will having infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. How we will find out the solutions? See here. One example in front of, suppose equation given to you 2x minus y is equal to 20. Okay, this equation is given to you and question asking find out the solution for this equation. So first we will draw a table for the values of x and y, because here variables are x and y. So x and y. Now so simple solution is there. We will see here we can transpose any one variable towards left side, towards right side. So what will happen if we are transposing 2x to that side? So what will come? Minus y is equal to 20 minus 2x. Okay, minus y is equal to 20 minus 2x. When we will take minus common, so it will be y is equal to 2x minus 20. This is the equation in the term of y. It means whatever the equation will given to us, first we will convert in the term of x or in the term of y. Okay, so now we will take if x is equal to 0. What will take? We will let the values here. Let x is equal to 0. So we will put here 0, and in place of x we will also write 0. So y is equal to 2 into 0 minus 20. So 2 into 0, it is 0. So what is remaining? Minus 20. It means if x will be 0, so y will be minus 20. This is the first solution. This is the first values for the given equation. Okay. Now if we see second one. Equation was here, y is equal to 2x minus 20. Suppose I am taking here, let x is equal to 4. So what will come? Y is equal to 2 into 4 minus 20. 4 to the 8 minus 20, that is minus 12. So what the values we are getting? For x 4 and y is 12. So again we need to put here 4 and minus 12. Like this we can find out the infinite values for the variable x and y. Infinite number of values. Now see in this one, what is the first values? 0 comma minus 20. It means x is 0 and y is minus 20, and here x is 4 and y is minus 12. So this is the way to find out the solution of a linear equation in two variables, and by this way we can find out the infinite number of solutions. Okay, so I hope you have got it, that how will you find out the solution for a linear equation of two variables. Okay, now one thing more, sometimes question asking to you, check the given solution is satisfied the linear equation in two variable or not. For example, one solution is given to you 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 means here 2, x is equal to 2 and y is 3. This is the always x and this is the always y. You have already studied this thing in coordinate geometry. Okay, so equation is given to you x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now question will ask to you, check 2 comma 3 is the solution of the equation x plus 2y is equal to 8 or not. Again listen to me, check 2 comma 3 is the solution of the linear equation in two variable, that is x plus 2y is equal to 8. It is yes or not. So how we will check here? We'll take LHS part, that is x plus 2y, and we know that from the given solution the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. So we will put the value of x at the place of x and the value of y at the place of y. So 2 plus 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 and 3 to the 6. So 2 plus 6, that is 8, and you can see in right hand side it is also 8. That's why now LHS equal to RHS. That's why 2 comma 3 is the solution for the given equation, that is x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now one more example for you. Suppose equation is here x minus 5y is equal to 50. What is x minus 5y is equal to 50, and solutions are given to you 2, 5, and check, this is the solution for the this equation. Again, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So 2 minus 5 into 5, 2 minus 25, so what will come? It will come minus 23, but in RHS it is written over there 50. So minus 23 does not equal to 50. That's why 2, 5 is not the solution of a given equation. Got it? How you will check the given values or the solution for a equation or not? This is a very, very important procedure. Okay, clear or not? Okay, this is the topics are there. You need to do the NCERT exercise and lead exercise in your fair notebook and do your assessment also. It is very, very important for you. And one thing more, now I am giving you one questions for you. For write the answer in comment box. It is very, very necessary for you. Write down any two solutions of equation x minus y is equal to 10. This is the equation. Write any two solution in comment box for this equation. Okay, this is your task, and home task is there, NCERT exercise 4.2 and lead book exercise, that is SB practice. Okay, this is the homework for you, and you are doing daily assessment, watching daily videos and preparing notes also. Okay, thank you everyone, have a nice day.